Good morning, everybody. Today is the 26th of March. All right, 26th of March. Here we are. This is what we did yesterday. Yeah, you can see. Look at this. We're looking for buys above this point. Never got the buys, but the sell stop. Market kept playing in between these zones over here until we got this break, and then the market stayed again in between. But you see, from here to here, we get the first move over here, very nice move, but then it was a single candle. Right now is the time that we're having a very good push down up to the stop loss, to the take profit, sorry. So, I'm not in that. I didn't take it after I saw this, all of this noise happening over here. I wasn't able to take the market. So, we're gonna be looking at, let's see what we have today. Fundamentally, we only have unemployment claims. So, okay, that's all right. And the market is pushing down. Okay. Right. So let's do a quick analysis and see if we can pick a cell below this pointer. But we're gonna first of all have to remove everything that is here. Okay. You're gonna have to remove everything that is for the drawings. There we go. Price action based on market structure. We're gonna look at support and resistance in areas of breakout so that I can execute the trades. So monthly support. We said it's gonna be down there for now. Go down to weekly. Hit it over there. Um, Weekly is still here, so the market hasn't really been able to close. It's still the candle is still an active candle. We now have okay, can't really say it is okay. Let's we still have this as the daily high, daily low. Go down to 4 hours. That's where we can see we have a safe area for 4 hours resistance. Yeah. Readjust this one, get a 4 hours support over here. Right. 1 hour. What we got? We got this high as a 1 hour resistance over here. 1 hour support is right over where the market is right now. That's the 1 hour support. That is if I'm looking at where the body over here, right? So that's where the 1 hour support is. 30 minutes, same. But we have a 30 minutes high over here, right? Now, exactly this is what I was saying. We look at, I'm gonna want to take sales below this week over here. Think it's safe to take sales below this point. Should the market continue pushing down? But I want to take sales below and push it down to this point. Then my stop loss will be just above this current candle that was there. That is, should we have a should it close below? We have these areas over here as well, where the market could run to until it gets to the weekly support over there though. Right? So for the buys, this is actually a very nice area for buy. But for the buys, you gotta take buys above this point though. You gotta take them above this point because it's good for impulse buys. If you're good at doing an impulse buy, yes, you can do it. If you're good, that's the question is if, yeah. If you're good doing impulse buys, such that you see this candle turn around, you can take an impulse entry, very tight stop loss, and see if the market's gonna retrace up to this point. But not really betting on it. Let's see. But I would want to get into the sales immediately after, but then I don't like the fact that it's this. area over here. So this is a whole zone, and I don't want to get myself locked into this, right? So we have possible buys above this point, and we have possible sells below. Here. Oops. So something like that. I'm gonna be looking at this and see. I want to get the sales below this point, and at least because I see there's a clear move over here. Then I want first of all to execute my first to this point. To be honest, that's my take point one, two over there. Yeah. Let's see how it behaves. And good luck. Trade what you see, not what you think. See you, man. Take care. Bye.